right, rediscovering shop guitars. We have this very cool G&L import guitar, Jazzmaster inspired. We put the vintage Jazzmaster in the neck, the Modern J90 in the bridge. And this is kind of a cool, we talked a lot about blending our different models at one point, but this is kind of a cool blend of two different models. I think specifically, probably going to highlight the Modern J90 in the bridge. Just share some quick tones of this. This is a, move it up to the camera here. This is a P-90 in a Jazzmaster case. So how would you kind of describe this pickup?
It's just got a lot more oomph than what you would typically hear out of the bridge position if it was like a normal, you know, as they came Jazzmaster style pickup. Yeah. So I think that you really get a little bit more, it's like a little bit more thickness, but not full on like humbucker, like kind of low end sort of thing. So you really meet them both in the middle, I think. And it's super useful in the bridge, and it's super versatile with the regular one in the neck.
Definitely, yeah. Just seems to cover a lot broader spectrum. Obviously, you have two differently designed pickups. You have Alnico 2 magnets in the neck, Alnico 5 bar magnets underneath this one as well. So I do like that extra punch that it gives. Really like it with distortion. I find a lot of Jazzmasters, once you get down to the bridge, I mean, that's kind of what they are known for sometimes, even with the surf rock, things like that. They're just kind of jangly. This really just brings, like you said, that bottom end up and kind of gives you that little extra kick in the pants for leads. So if you want to play something other than surf rock on a Jazzmaster, you might consider our J90 in the bridge position. Let's take a listen to hear how it sounds.